Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to duplicate the sheets on your Google Sheets on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to duplicate the sheet on your Google Sheet web on the computer. So to duplicate the sheet, you just need to click the sheet, whichever the sheet that you just want to duplicate. I just choose this sheet. So now you can just see right click here on your mouse and you will see an option called duplicate. So click on this duplicate option. Now you can see the sheet 2 and the copy of sheet 2. So that's a 2. If you just want to duplicate this again, just right click it and you can click on the duplicate option, which will be duplicate copy of the sheet 2, copy of the sheet 2, copy of the sheet 2. If you just duplicate again, it will be show like copy of the copy of the copy of the sheet 2. If you duplicate again, it will show like copy of the copy of the copy of the copy of the sheet 2. It's like funny. So right click here and you just can rename it like 2 and right click here and you can just rename it as 3 like this. So you can use it. If you've done any mistake, just right click and delete the sheet and you can use the own sheet. So before creating any corrections on your sheet, just duplicate it like this and use it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.